HCL Shivnadar University, we are all part of a grand vision, which is to create institutions which have lasting impact on several generations in multiple ways.
The most inspiring part of our year-long collaboration with Unleash is witnessing the enthusiasm with which young participants have come together to find solutions for our planet. I had the pleasure of attending the Unleash Hack organized at the Shivnadar Institution of Eminence in early November here in Delhi, where I saw some truly amazing innovations and ideas by students.
Each one of you should unleash your talent, unleash your full potential, unleash the leader in you, and finally unleash your commitment to protect Mother Earth.
HCL, I would say, much before the dynamic SDGs came into picture, has been quietly working towards it in a very, very humble manner. It has multiple entities, be it businesses, it could be philanthropy, it could be CSR. Each of it weaves in the SDGs very well.
We are working in terms of the source to think, along with my team and 1,000 plus talents. I want to thank HCL and Unleash for letting me participate in this huge event of innovation.
In a platform where you get the chance to get closer to solving it actually makes you want to give your 100%.
We were very happy with the quality of most of the presentations, especially these ones that tried to look beyond just an immediate SDG, but a longer term investment in human and environmental, social and environmental sustainability.
With the money that we have won, we will be able to redesign our prototype, do user testing and go to market. More particularly, we'll be able to continue operations for the next 6 months, which will enable us to provide access to justice to at least 1,000 plus indigent pretrial detainees. We're very grateful to Unleash Plus team, to everyone who has supported us on this journey, and thank you HCL for the funding. Thank you so much.